Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data from your old phone to your Redmi 17. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the Mi Mover application on our Redmi, select New, then select the device type. So if it's Xiaomi, select Xiaomi. If it's Android, select the Android. And if it's iPhone, select the last option. Yeah, I'm gonna select Android since I'm using Google Pixel as my old device here. Then give this app all the permissions. Open camera on your old phone and scan this QR code, which will redirect you to the Google Play Store. Tap install and wait until this application is installed on your old phone. Then you're gonna have to open it and give it all the permissions that it asks you for. Tap agree, select old, allow, repeat, allow all while using the app, allow, and then select our Mi Mover from the list and switch the toggle on. Return back to the application. Let's give it all the other permissions in the same way. Okay. Now make sure that both devices have Bluetooth enabled. Tap installed on your Redmi. And then wait until devices connect to each other. If they don't want to connect, you can always restart the connection. Then select your Redmi right here, tap connect, accept on your Redmi, tap connect on both devices. Then wait a bit. Then you're gonna have to select the data that you want to transfer and tap next. Read this important information and tap send. Then wait until your Redmi receives data from your old device. Then once the transfer is finished, we can tap done. And as you can see, we have received all this data on our Redmi. Now we just have to wait until the third-party applications are restored from the backup. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.